Imagine this. In the year 2018, my friend and I went to Accra, from Tamale to Accra. At that time, I was the president of the Muslim students in the University of the Foreign Studies, and he was our organizer. So we went there because we had a project we wanted to execute. So we went to Accra. When we got to the area, though that wasn't our first time of visiting Accra, but that particular area, that was our first time. So we visited a public toilet. And when we got to the public toilet, there were two structures there, two separate toilet structures or buildings. The caretaker told us that this one cost 50 pesos. As at that time, in the north or in Tamale, we were not even paying 50 pesos for toilet. So, and they said this one is 1 Ghana cedis, which is about twice of the first one. So, as being wise with our money, we decided to take the cheaper ones. So when we paid for the cheaper one, and then we visited the toilet. Once we entered there, we stepped our feet inside. Boom! The smell hit us like a slap. The whole place was full of feces, urine. We could not even stand the face of the entrance. Talk less of freeing ourselves. In fact, our feeling of removing the metabolism even vanished without us even going deeper into the toilet. We could not free ourselves. We had to leave there like that. And then our next visit, we decided to try the expensive one. So we paid the 1 Ghana cedis. And when we entered there, we feel like sleeping inside. The place was very nice, very clean, odorless. And in fact, personally, I feel like sleeping inside there. And we're able to free ourselves freely, and we left the place thanking our Lord. One might ask, why does this story has to do with fish farming? And I will let you know that I'm giving you this scenario because the toilet with feces, urine, smelling, and all the debris around is like a pond without filtration system. The fish are left to live in their own feces, their own leftover feed, and their own waste. And the toilet, which is clean and very adorable, is like the fish pond with filtration and aeration system. The feces of the fish are taken away, their waste are taken away, and they are living healthy life in their pond. With the experience that we had in our first visit, that is the same experience the fish are experiencing in their pond. Unfortunately, they don't have the ability or they don't have the choice to leave the pond. They have to be stuck there, and as a result, it will lead to stress and mortality because they cannot leave the pond. We had the chance and the opportunity to leave and to get better choice, but they do not. So as a result, they will die. And when we visited the clean one and we enjoy it, that's the same way the fish that are in the pond are enjoying the filtration system, and they are striving and they are living healthy life, and they will be growing. So the same thing apply. When you establish your fish farm, or you already have your farm running, and you don't have filtration and aeration system for your fish, that is the life that they are living, and they cannot live healthy life. So, giving them the best filtration and aeration system is like getting yourself a clean toilet and a clean place to be living. See how you're enjoying it. So the reason why you must have a clean pond is that the water is clear and it is oxygen rich. It reduces stress in the fish, and it gives you faster growth and higher survival. And faster growth and higher survival means more profit. So that's why you should consider installing a filtration system in your pond. And if you're wondering how, you are got covered. We have a course in this. We'll leave it in the description. You can check that one out, where we give you DIY filtration system. You will just need to put yourself in the course, get enrolled, go through, and you will learn everything from start to finish. How to make your own system, how to install it into your pond, and you are good to go. And the good news is that you can also make money out of this by installing for other farmers. If you have been inspired, please kindly consider subscribe to this channel, like and share the video, and let it reach more fish farmers. Thank you so very much for watching.